I have no idea what that is. Janine and Jamie thought this was your brain.
Takaw nyo.
But this one. This one. This one. Yeah, that's good. This way.
Jamie, yung kasama na, huwag ka na mahiya.
Oh my god.
Food.
So, we are currently eating. After waiting like 3 hours.
Si Jamie nahihiya.
The reason why they made us wait is because they're gonna freaking put all of these in our freaking building.
Okay, you can shush now.
Oh my gosh,
I'm
Lily boy.
eating. I'm eating.
Oh my gosh, you're so
eating.
mean. You're such a bitch when you're hungry. You need Snickers. Gosh.
Give me my sneakers then.
No. Oh, by the way, Philip bought me chocolates because he loves me. Wow.
I was forced, by the way.
Remember what Snickers mean, Mark.
Pinapaan mo yung charm mo pag yung mga pagod tayo. Sabi ko, ay,
Bumabag yun, lakas. Uy, lumabas sa ilong ko. Ew! Sorry naman.
Nakailangan talaga.
Kapal ni John eh. Kapal ni John. Sabi pa naman ni John. Sabi kasi ni Jamie, John, nagpapakit ka ba kapag may mga bagong tao? Tapos sabi ni Jamie, sabi ni John, hindi na kailangan. Tapos umiinom ako noon, nung sinabi niya yon. Tapos nabug ako, tapos yung ilong ko nilabasan ng...
Tapos
si Philip.
Tapusin mo na, bilisan mo. Tapusin mo na. Oh. Ito naman, random, sabi, uy, kay Mardy ka na lang.
Ito laging mga ano
Nang ito to, lagi.
Ate, kay Philip ka na, kay Patrick ka na lang. Bakit kay Patrick? Eh kasi, basta kay Patrick ka na lang. Ikaw kayo, ano? Ikaw kay Patrick.
Hindi, no?
Sa akin niya inaano si Patrick.
Uy, mo kay Patrick, pwede ba? Di kayo bagay. Pwede ng friends lang. Hoy! Alam mo nag-record ko din. Hello.
Pupost mo ba yan?
Uy! Narinig ko din yung kay Mardy.
Kay Mardy ka na lang.
Oo nga, dyan kay Mardy.
Habang ikaw, Philip, kay...
Manahimik ka.
I'm so lost right now.
Okay? Pwede kayo
Kay Nicole
Ikaw kay Patrick ka na. Hell no! Ano yun lang?
Kay Try.
Tapos ako kay...
Kay Mark ka na lang.
Kay Shokoy.
Kay Edward ka na lang. Yun naman ang gusto
Uy,
mo.
nag-iba na ba si Chern?
Sige lang. Sige lang.
The way she dressed.
Sige lang.
I grabbed her boob for
Still
you.
the same. Yeah, say it out loud.
He doesn't wanna...
Skinny jeans, Chuck Taylors,
He doesn't.
sweaters.
Kasi pinamigay namin yung ano ko, yung sapatos na may nakikita ka bang sinusuot niya na
Nagsawa na
may
yan.
black na may green
Okay.
na sapatos?
We'll talk more later.
Okay, so, we're done eating. Look.
Go.
Yeah, it's recording, it's recording.
We're
done eating, Mark.
I'm full. So yun, nagpakit lang si Jamie sa camera. As usual, nagpapakit naman siya lagi. So anyways, what to say? Okay, I don't know what to say. Justin.
I wish you guys were here. And
Yeah, that too.
I made a tumbler.
He made a tumbler. You guys should make one too. On the other hand, only you, Maisel.
In the sound.
San ba yun?
No idea where. She's just singing out there.
Tiny bubbles in your bra.
So anyways, ito na. Para live, diba? Oh. Maisel, Google ka ba? Kasi, lahat ng hinahanap ko nasa iyo.
Oh my god.
Heck yeah! Ano pa ba yun? Ano pa ba yung sinabi mo kanina?
Man,
Nahanap mo? Saan nahanap?
are your parents aliens? Because you're out of this
Either
world.
one.
Last video, kahit kinamarket na rin.
Ano pa ba yun? Ano pa ba?
Dude.
But I wish you guys were here and natatay ako.
Ew.
Ito. Mark, ito para sa'yo ito. Religious ka ba? Kasi you're the answer to my prayer.
Oh my god. Kay John yan.
Ano ba? Pustiso ka ba? Kasi I can't smile without you.
Alam mo, pag naging bola ka, hindi kita masushoot. Kasi mamimiss kita.
Kunyet.
Sige pa, pick up na.
Ano mo sa akin?
Oh my bad.
Ano ba yun? Is your mom a baker?
Oh, I'm gonna say
Because
that!
you have you have hot buns.
What else? Are you a parking ticket? Because you've got fine written all over you.
No, I already sent that to them already.
No! Okay. Crayola ka ba? Kasi you color my world.
Oh my god. It's gonna pick up line, quick. Pick up line.
Ulan ka ba? Kasi kahit anong gawin mo... wait, what the hell? I forgot about it.
Fail.
Hindi mo pa nga ako binabato, natatamaan na ako sa iyo.
Oh my god. Okay. Janine, I need to borrow some sunglasses because you're the sun to my day. She's so bright for my world.
Oh, ito naman. Kandila ka ba? Kasi you light up my life.
Ikaw, gawa ka ulit. Gumawa ka.
Wala na, naubusan na ako.
Si Philip lagi sa ngayon. Ikaw, gawa ka.
I'm on a roll.
Gawa ka ng pick up line.
Are you a roller coaster? Because you spin me right round. No.
It doesn't spin around.
Diba?
It doesn't spin around.
Diba. Are you Chris Brown? Because I wanna take you down. Wala.
Corny.
Wait, let me think.
Oh, I got it.
What?
Ulan ka ba? Kasi lupa ako. Kahit anong gawin mo, sa akin ang bagsak mo.
MMDA ka ba? Kasi nagkabag ka ng puso. Shut up! Ano ba? I'm trying to pick up line here. Gosh, you're so mean. Ano ba nga yung sinabi ko sa kanila? Yun. Papel ka ba? Bakit? Uy, papel.
Corny mo.
Papel ka ba? Hindi, test paper yata.
Hindi siya tao.
Test paper ka ba? Kasi kanina pa kita tinititigan eh. Ay! Tama mo yung sinabi ko.
Hindi ka naman nagtitest.
So yun. Naubusan na kami ng pick-up lines. So, you know. So yun. Sana nandito kayo. Nami-miss na namin kayo. Punta kayo dito dali. May nalaatap kita. Tapos si Edward dun siya kayo, Justin. Or if he wants, he can come to my class at any time. Yeah!
Yuck. John, last thing kay Mark.
Just a shrug. May galit sa'yo, syempre kakaulong niyo.
Buti hindi nasira yung camera mo, no? Kasi lagi nakafocus kay Janine. Pick up line!
Okay, I'm not even a pick-up line. You would not pick up a person using that line. Okay? I don't need a pick-up line to pick up a person. You're a dick!
Hi.
What are we trying to sell this to?
Nakaposing pa yun, Meron na isa. Meron mamaya.
So yun.
Sabihin mo nakataligid ka, dali. Sabihin mo lang.
Sabihin mo na nga. Go ni John.
Dali. Teka, ayoko
Daba ngayon na.
Ngayon na.
Para kina-market na rin to eh. Munyeta naman to. Ang corny ni John.
Yeah. Hello to you guys. Tsaka kay Nicole din pala. Hindi namin kasama si Nicole. Kasi
yun. Basta alam mo na yun, Nicole.
Tapos, si Jamie, my boyfriend. I-update ko nga pala kayo sa mga love life ng peoples. So si Jamie, my boyfriend siya. Marami siyang boyfriends and girlfriends. Both. Si Marty, si Patrick, si Carlo, si Mark. Gosh, you're dickhead! Gosh,
Yeah, Justin, God! Justin!
So, tapos si Justin,
Oh, thank you.
meron siyang ka-date
thank you.
dapat kahapon. Kaso, kinancel yung date.
Okay.
Sorry, Kik.
Dan! Para sa'yo.
Thank
Ang
you.
cake na ito.
That guy is like a rude waiter. He's been giving us attitude the whole time.
I know, right? So mean. He's like so mean. Oh yun, si Justin, potek my icing kako.
Yum.
Dapat. I like it. So anyways, for si Justin.
Tingnan mo, may crack na dun. May crack na yung camera mo, bro.
Dapat may date siya kahapon. Kaso, kay
He knows about it.
Tapos, si Philip, alam mo, you know Phil. Tapos si John. Tapos si John. Si
Pero
John.
walang ganyanan. Walang ganon.
Ayun, si John. Ano, ang tag dito, he's still madly in love with me, just doesn't know it.
Huling naniwala dyan, matay.
Tapos, yun lang. So,
Ah! I died!
Cake, oranges, and lychee, and Philip.
It's not lychee.
Whatever.
Mushroom.
Ew.
Just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Nom 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 nom. Whoa.
again with me.
We can end it now.
Sawa na yung mga yan. Teka mo.
Bye. We miss you.
Bye.
Say something.
Bye.
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 Bye ka na. Bye.
Bye!
Bye ka na.
Bye.